religion. At first I longed for home, my beloved Philippines, thinking that there will be no home from home. But with those passing years, I learned there is indeed a home far away from home. Thank you so much, my KSA, for sharing your moments with me. We've both grown up with each other, socially, intellectually, let alone emotionally. At first I thought I will never like you, but here I am. I ended up loving you. And I know thousands of thousands, if not millions expatriates feel the way I do.